Hi guys, in today's video we're going to just show you how to download a video on YouTube without using any software. So you just go on YouTube. uh, when you are on YouTube, you just need to type in the search engine of YouTube the name of the video or the YouTube channel in which you are going to download your video. So we'll go on my YouTube channel, which is called Statistical Model for Social Science, and choose randomly a video to download without using the software. So you just click on the YouTube engine search. The name, for example, the name of my YouTube channel is Statistical Models for Statistical Model for Social Science. So while you have put in the engine statistical model for social sciences, for example, you click on the research tool, which is here, and you see that my YouTube channel has appeared here. So you just click on the link and you are in my YouTube channel. You can randomly choose a video that you are going to download. So for this example, we will just show the strategy that we use to download a video on YouTube without using any software. So you just go on the dot after www. Between the dot and YouTube, you just put ss between YouTube and the dot after www. So you just click on enter, and YouTube will lead you to a new website in which you will download the video. So you need to know that it's important to select and copy the name of the video, because while we will be downloading a video, you need to put the name of the video in order to record it, so that you cannot forget. So you copy the name of the video and put SS between YouTube and the dot after the www, and you click on enter, and YouTube will go to the new website in which you will download a video. So you select the version MP3, MP4, and the type, the quality of the video that you are going to download, and click on download. So after you have done so, YouTube will play a video. As the video is playing, will just to make a right click and select copy address, video address. So while you have copied the video address, you download a video, and you will navigate through your file in order to search for the file in which you will record. You will put your video, and while you have navigate, you will paste in the name of the file the name that you have copied so far. So YouTube asked him to modify the ID because there is not illicit symbol in this name. So we will correct, we will delete the illegal symbol and click on record, and you can see that my video has been successfully downloaded. So that is for this tutorial video. I hope it helped you understand well how to download a video on YouTube without using any software.